السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم طلاب الأعزاء طلاب الصف الخامس. How are you my dear students? Today inshallah we will study Unit 3 Lesson 4 pages 24 and 25 My house. We will start our lesson today as usual with the new words. Now repeat after me. Ox, box, fox, fun, sun, run, hot, not, dot, nut, but, cut, clap. Again, ox, box, fox, fun, sun, run, sad, tree, hot, not, dot, nut, but, cut, clap. Phonics. Here, ox, box, fox. Fun, sun, run. Hot, not, dot, nut, but, and cut. Ask and answer. How do you spell ox? How do you spell ox? The letter of ox. O-X. How do you spell box? Box. B-O-X. How do you spell fun? F-U-N. Again. How do you spell ox? O-X. How do you spell box? B-O-X. How do you spell fun? F-U-N. Now open your books, pages 24 and 25, phonics, exercise number 1, read and color O and U. Try to color O and U.
The Ox Story. Did you read it yourself? Let's check your reading. An ox sat on a box. He had fun in the sun. He was hot. He sat under a tree. Then he was not hot. An ox sat on a box. He had fun in the sun. He was hot. He sat under a tree. Then he was not hot.
Okay, the ox story. Here, an ox sat on a box like in the picture. He had fun in the sun. He was hot. He sat under a tree. Now he is sitting under a tree. Then he was not hot. Try to color the letters O and the letters U. Exercise number 2. Listen and spell. How do you spell ox? O-X. How do you spell? And so on. Now listen and try to spell the words.
1. How do you spell ox? O-X. 2. How do you spell box? B-O-X. 3. How do you spell fun? F-U-N. 4. How do you spell sun? S-U-N. 5. How do you spell hot? H-O-T. 6. How do you spell not? N-O-T.
Okay, number 1. How do you spell ox? The letters O-X. How do you spell box? B-O-X. How do you spell fun? F-U-N. How do you spell sun? S-U-N. How do you spell hot? H-O-T. How do you spell not? N-O-T. Exercise number 3. Make pairs, read together, and clap. Dot, not, hot. Ox, fox, box. Nut, but, cup. Sun, fun, run. Now listen.
Are you ready? Let's start. Dot. Not. Hot. Box. 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 Nut. But. Cut. Sun. Fun. Run.
Okay. Now, the goals of our lesson today: say the spelling of 2 3-letter words like box, B-O-X, fox, F-O-X. Exercise goal number 24. Read the 3-letter word speed reading list by myself. Okay, this is the end of our lesson today. See you inshallah next time. Goodbye.